So I decided I'm just gonna vlog today because I'm feeling ambitious. We're about to leave to Costco in a little bit. It's about 9:15, so Costco doesn't open till 10. But I found if you get there a little bit early, they open the doors like 10 minutes beforehand, and then you can like speed shop and get all your stuff. And then they open up the checkouts at 10. So that's what I'm gonna do, so I can like get in and get out because I hate shopping. Such a weird person, but like it's just, people are so rude. And when you go like right at opening, they don't have the testers, so you don't have to like get held up by a billion people blocking the way to try some chips or something, whatever they're giving out. So when I come back, like spring clean my kitchen and declutter. Like I have so many extra stuff in my kitchen that just doesn't get used, so we're gonna do that. So I thought maybe you guys would like to come along with me while I deep clean and declutter. So, yep, so right now we got the little guy. He's drinking his milk. I'm just relaxing, having some coffee, and then we'll go to Costco, and then we'll come back and be productive. Yeah! Alright guys, so here's an overview of my kitchen, and you hear my voice? Yeah, we caught the plague, that's why I've been gone, and I'm sorry. I'm drinking tea while I'm trying to voice over this, so I apologize for the voice, but my kitchen is a disaster. Look at the kitchen island, so much crap everywhere. So the first thing I'm going to do is unload the dishwasher and then load it back up before I start to declutter my cabinets. Guys, I'm watching myself cringing. I need to get back on the keto diet. Needless to say, I haven't been following it very strictly at all. Like, no, not at all. What diet? No diet, obviously, but... So I just like to put everything like in a pile when I unload it, so that way I could just put it away all in one shot. Make it easy because I'm lazy. And I don't know what it is about my dishwasher, but little guy loves playing with it. He's a little monster. He's into everything. So I'm just reloading my dishwasher and washing my pans, you know, typical stuff right here. In case you're wondering, I use the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I get it off of Grove or from Target, and I love it. This is like a seasonal scent, I think, from Christmas, but I'm still using it. It's lovely. just going to clean out and scrub down my sink with the same dish soap and little scrubber, the scrubber I get from the Dollar Tree because, yeah, frugalness, hello! Okay, it's time to declutter. My cabinets have so much extra dishes that we just don't need. So I'm gonna take everything out, put away stuff that I want to keep, and then put a pile of things that I don't need anymore in a separate location so I can keep it separate. That makes sense. I'm the smart one, I know. And since I have everything out of my cabinets, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down with the Mrs. Meyer's spray. This is the multi-purpose spray, and I believe this scent peppermint, also a Christmas scent, but I still have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it. So I'm just going to wipe it down with a paper towel, climb up on top of the countertops because I am short and I can't reach. So that's what I'm doing right now. And there's a little child messing with my camera. We're looking at the ceiling right now. So out of practice of filming, I keep constantly looking back, making sure I'm still filming, so that's what all the little looks are about. And also making sure that the small child did not mess up the camera again. As you can see, toddlers are wonderful listeners. They do exactly what you tell them. I know, it's amazing. They do like the opposite. Toddlers, love them. Camera down in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I put everything that I want to keep back in the cabinet, and I feel like it just looks so much tidier and nicer and organized, and I'm quite happy with the results. I don't feel like things are falling out on top of each other anymore. And then over on my kitchen island, I have all the things we are getting rid of, like extra whatever, just things we don't need anymore. So that's my little discard pile. Onto the most cluttered cabinet. This is like a funny shaped cabinet, so I can fit so much stuff in it, but I have a billion coffee mugs and a lot of wine glasses in there, so I need to go through them. I have to admit, the amount of mugs I have is kind of embarrassing. Like, why do I have that many coffee mugs? I know, you hear Eric in the background? He's astonished too. So we need to like cut this at least by half. I'm hoping more than half. Oh my gosh. What have I done? What's wrong with me? And almost every time I go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I buy another mug because why? I clearly do not have enough mugs. I could give everybody a cup of coffee in my whole family and extended family. Ridiculous. Alright, so I cleaned out my mugs. Now I just have I feel like a better range. Like I don't have as many mugs. I have some to-go ones, like travel mugs over there. A couple cute ones for the kids, like Evil Dr. Pork Chop over there, and then my Ray Dunn ones that I use all the time. And then I have some like holiday themed ones in the back that I didn't want to get rid of. So now all my mugs fit in one row. Wow. Alright, so I cleaned out the other top 2 shelves, and as you can see, this is like kind of an odd shape, so a lot of stuff can fit in there. So these are all my cups, and I realize I have a ton of wine glasses as well. I might keep a good portion of those because we host like Thanksgiving and Christmas at our house, but we'll see what I can get rid of or how I can organize it better. Alright, so first cabinet. Woo woo! Coffee mugs, travel mugs, drinking glasses, and then I had to put a few wine glasses that just wouldn't fit on the top row. And then on the top row I have all the wine glasses I might need for hosting dinner parties in the back. And then the ones that I use the most, shot glass, my husband's little whiskey glass. So yeah, I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, and this makes me feel so much better to have it organized now. Things aren't like falling out on top of me when I open the cabinet. Hallelujah. Alright, so my whole kitchen island is filled with things I'm getting rid of. How? That's a lot of stuff, huh? So like what? 30 mugs, give or take. And I have like some ones I'm gonna like try and trade or sell. Like I know I can get rid of the Ray Dunn and sell it and make my money back. And then all the other stuff I'm just gonna donate. Then I got rid of some like sushi plates because I don't make sushi myself, so why do I have sushi plates? I don't know. Some of the kids' plastic plates that we just don't use anymore, they're getting kind of dingy. Sippy cups, travel mugs, Batman, hurricane tumblers. Yeah, just a lot of stuff we don't need anymore, so I'm so excited to get this out of my house. And then I'm going to go through like my knives and my utensils, get rid of things that I have duplicates of. The reason I have a little knife basket there is because at our old house we got rid of our butcher's block and we had a magnetic strip, so now at our new house we just store it in a basket and it seems to work. But anyway, so I'm going through all my utensils, getting rid of things I have multiples of, and just keeping the ones that I like the most, and yeah, I'm getting rid of the rest. Like, do I need that many? No, I don't. So we're going through it, we're decluttering, we're getting organized, oh yeah. Here are all the ones that didn't make the cut. They are going, leaving the household. Goodbye! Next, moving on to the pots and pans. Another stuff we have, like, look, what is that? That's just a catastrophe right there. So I'm just gonna go through and start getting rid of things that we don't use on a normal basis and we have duplicates of because we don't need that many pots and that many pans. And then this is the after the things I kept. I promise I did wipe that down even though it looks totally dingy. It's just stained. I need like new liners for my cabinets, that's for sure. But I'm really happy with the end results. Here's the reject pile. These are things I donated and they went to a better home. Somebody that can use them. Because we weren't using them, that's for sure. Okay, so it's later in the day. I decluttered and got rid of all the things I'm getting rid of. Now it's time to just wipe down my countertops and to just finish cleaning the kitchen. The kids are home, so you might see them pop up. I picked them up from school. It's now 4 something if you look at the time on my clock. It's almost dinner time. So the spray I'm using is from Caldrea. It's the Pear Blossom Agave Countertop Spray. I also get this from Grove Collaboratives. I'll have the invite below. If you get a free gift set when you sign up and spend $20 or more, you get a free Mrs. Meyer set. So that's a pretty good thing. Oh, there's the baby again, messing with the camera. And my son Ryan making faces. I apologize. Getting rid of the carrots from Easter and putting in a little boxwood ball so we can get rid of Easter decorations. And then I always like to diffuse oils. I got my oil diffuser from Vitacost. It's like the Now Foods brand and I love it. And then I don't know what I'm doing right now. I think I'm using the Vitacost brand oils. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's the sweet orange. And I just love citrusy scents, so I think that's all I'm diffusing right there. Ever since I got my Dyson, I don't sweep anymore. I just vacuum. It's so much more easy and efficient, and I love this thing, so that's what I'm doing right now, vacuuming my floors. Wow. Sorry if this makes you dizzy. I'm gonna get better at filming these, I promise. This is a work in progress. And the end result, a nice clean kitchen with decluttered cabinets. Ow, it feels so good. This little area I'm not super pleased with, but my husband needs to put his stuff somewhere, so we're just gonna let it slide. But it's picked up, countertops are clean and cleared off, everything's looking lovely. My friends, that's the end of the video. Please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment if you enjoyed this so I know, and I will make more in the future and hopefully just get better and better. Alright, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Bye everybody.